Hi, welcome to the plot. Today it's pretty cold this morning, but it's nice and bright and it's not raining, so I thought we'd take the opportunity to try and get these single seed potatoes out. So I'm going to tip out, I've got 5 buckets to do. I'm going to tip those out. I'll put it on a speed up so you can see me harvesting each bucket, and then we'll have a look at what we've got later on. So let's get on with it. So this is bucket number 5. Let's tip it out, see what we got. Now I'm not too hopeful in the sense that some of the other potatoes that we've had have been pretty poor, but let's have a look. So we got fairly decent sized potatoes in there initially, a couple of other reasonable sized ones, but doesn't look like there's much else. A quick root round, another little one. They all count. Not a lot else in that one. Right, number 4. This is another one that was one of the smaller ones, so we'll see what we've got in here. Again, not much down in the bottom, but look at that. It's decent. That's a decent sized spud. Another 3 decent spuds there. That's the original piece of potato. Another one there. Plenty of worms in these. So, right, single seed potato 3. So now we're getting on to the ones that were slightly bigger or slightly bigger pieces. So, whoa! Look at that, baby! Another sizey potato there, and another one there. So, looks like we're getting not a lot of potatoes, but the ones that are there are pretty impressive in size. Right, this is number 2. Oh, again, look at that. What? Well, I mean, these are of all the potato buckets we've done this year, these are by far the biggest potatoes we've got. We've had quite a lot of potatoes, but this year it's all been very small. Another couple of gorgeous potatoes there. So I don't know what variety these are. Obviously got a reddish sort of skin to them, but they have produced some good quality sized potatoes. And this is the final one, single seed potato 1. That's whoa, no, I mean, look at that worm. He's a juicy one, isn't he? So another decent sized potato, sort of medium one. We've got any whoppers in here? Not any whoppers, but some good sized potatoes. Again, this pot was the strongest one, and got at least 5 or 6 out of that. Oh, a few more out of there. Let's just clear that saw through, make sure we're not missing any. There we are, reasonable amount of potatoes from one potato. So I'm going to get those ones weighed up for Steve, and we shall see how everybody does. See you again soon.